Guys, I'm playing Danish with a horror game mascot game. I play it. Should be blue. Hey, go back to work. You're supposed to be a shopper. I am one of the enables called the shopper. I have a med kit on floor 2. Already, it's pretty where to get a med kit. Hey, Tigan, come.
On the floor? Strange. There you are. Well, let's get you back to the other wishes.
Tigan. Let's go.
Everything okay?
See ya, Tigan.
I've never seen you so super energized to get home.
Energized? What? Wait, no. Well, I was just, I couldn't wait to read my notes.
To use my ability to get Uncle. It means I can get more kiter like Tisha. That's short about Danny's word. I found a hacker. This one hurt.
Oh no.
I'm freaking dead. I don't know I'm one heart on it. So why Danny? Why Danny pull off a medkit? I find a medkit on floor 2. And Danny pull out a medkit on floor 4. That's a pretty bad. Butter and Titisha. Butter is a pretty hard body. I am. Wait. Titisha I am great for it. Butter, come here.
My island's good right here.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
You're
it
sinking
is.
into the lava. Quickly, quick.
Butter. Come, Butter. That's not me. That's not my problem. Cause you just run on the twisted. That's not my problem, Glisten.
It's okay.
Come.
You got it. Staying calm. No problem. Cool as a cucumber. Less cool. Warming up.
Uh-oh. We'd better get
Yeah.
you outside before everything in the house sticks to you. Just walk nice
Nice.
and steady. And don't touch anything.
Yeah, you mean walk like a cat ninja. I'm an expert at that.
Bro, get out of this place. Yo, nang monster. Bakit kayo di?
Hey, can't go for a walk without
Come
boots on.
here.
Okay, I think I'm stuck down.
I will get a lot of research to brothers. Because I'm in it. You can get a lot of research if being chased a twisted like brothers. I will me too.
We'll fix this. Just follow me, walk nice and steady.
I can't do steady. All I can do is roly-poly with
Nah, I hit. Damn. That hitbox is so short. That hitbox is no near me. His wing is hit. Or
And
No. You can't touch me.
his wing is inch of my kiter.
situation. Maybe Zeke can help.
Already at
Cumulus.
heart 1. It's already 5. Some reason in 5 floor or the low early games will be harder
The wishes
than you
best.
think.
See Zeke. Can you roll yourself onto Cumulobi?
He is back to 1. This one is 1. And finish. Why is there a blackout? Early game is maybe Glisten or Finish dead. Who's that? Who's that? I don't know who's that. I get something else. And see my skin is vintage Tisha. Cause I full Boxton. Yes, here I can see. There's Boxton already.
Sorry, my bad. Hey, cat. Almost defeated it.
Bartleby's getting bigger by the second.
What the heck? Todos, you're a rabbit kid.
Now, I need some wish help. Let's go, Cumulo.
I'm gonna build a destruction or speed build. I only need problem. I need get this that teddy bear from Toodles. We short 100% twisted Toodles
See? I need
to
your
fully make my
help.
item
Problem.
speed
Problem too. My Zingy Zap has lost all its zappy
like
cling,
that
and it can't find Hide Z
girl
anywhere. I need
is
some
her
help.
watches
Where's
is
Wishfinder
Doodles.
Bumblebee?
Hey,
He's not here.
not
He's in
the
trouble.
Doodles is
What
low.
happened?
He's
There's
like a big lump
there
of
are group
stuff
on
now,
it.
and he's getting bigger. Everything he touches
We
clings
need
to
to
him.
find it. I'm a pretty I covered
Let's
little
sit and
bit
have a
when
think
it
about
is
this.
blacked out. Hey, but I cannot see where they are coming. It's pretty scary. We don't know the monsters they're coming.
Well, first I need a wish that can help me catch the Bumblebee ball.
Including when he's panic
A
mode.
wish that can
Them.
uncling all the things that are clinging to him.
The
Run,
wishing tree has
run,
heard you.
run!
It's time to say
Holy crap!
I'm ready.
That's you!
Tree of wishing, please share your wonderful wishes. Please share your wonderful
That's
wishes.
you! I almost lost a heart from that when I that. And he is back his one half life. Include listen, Shirley. There's a chance I will die or be or glisten. And the medkit is gone. I will not do. He still is, then he's still happy. I'm not good at Danny's one. He pretty fast. I will lost all my stamina. Already 6 minutes.
excellent wishes true. Let's see what else we can learn
My
about them.
video cannot last forever. There's that too. Boxing and Cosmo. And some tapes. Yeah,
Your
okay.
first wish is elongate. It's a wish that can stretch out super long. But can also
Cosmo,
snap
where
back
are
fast.
you? Okay, not want to be a bait.
That could help me catch the Bumblebee
I'm
ball.
definitely a bait. Oh,
I'm eager to
we
hear the
should.
results. Now,
Buxton.
where is your
Oh, there's
second wish?
Buxton.
Glue.
Hey, come here.
It's a sticky wish. It can make everything stick to its glue trail, no matter what the object is made of.
Come here.
That's kind of gross. But you can help me pull everything off Bumblebee.
Wolo.
Third wish
I just
is
lagged.
Zizu. This wish is like a
Listen, get out of here. That's not my problem, cause you
Sure how a battery can help me stop
come
Bumblebee.
here, dummy.
I'll find a way. Thanks, Z.
I'm
And thank you.
back.
Thank you for sharing
I'm
your
back to
wishes.
the game. Shelly, there's a monster.
Let's go save my best friend.
Yo, Shelly, you keep it out of the sight.
Gotta run.
good luck, True.
That's not my problem. Back to my business. It's pretty hard.
Are you comfy, Your Majesty?
I will
Do you
skip
have enough nibbles
the
and zits?
floor when it's too hard. I will go to the floor when it's the floor where
What's this surprise?
it's so hard. Skip. Another blackout. That's 3.0 host. Actual and main character a counter. That's a new character I twisted or the twisted. I haven't got the spell
What's Blue Boo?
Astro Wang Salto. Our opponent team V is dead. For now from Astro. Go go! Only 4 lives is alive! I'm gonna use my abilities on this. I die if para for them to survive by sacrifice my life from what is it? Astro and Simple. I'm pretty bad at distraction. This is the first time I'm being a distractor. That's actually my friend. Yes, he's actually my friend. He's Glow. I give him a last message. Goodbye. You can read it to me. For children, he said, goodbye, good luck, goodbye, good luck. guys. Hey, let's rejoin this game. And that's it for Danny's Red. This game is about making strategy and a mascot horror game, and V is always easy play. I never seen V. And look at that twisted. As the structure, you will get a lot of any like simple. Only I got small amount in a being chase. This scene is only the harmless. Only some main character I don't find, like Sprout, V, and Shelly. I did a Dandelion. He really OP, just jumps me from anywhere the sharp turns. And I fully mastered the Initia, playing as a supporter. And simple. Now hey. Boxing is a good character like V, but if his ability, passive ability, only works there's a full team is alive, it be like V. And thanks guys for watching my video, and see you to my next video. Bye.